Hello everyone, this is my review of the Q Mixer's ginger beer, premium ginger beer. You can get this in a case. It comes in these small little packs here. There's 4 in a pack, and this is a mini. I'll show you the cans now. So you got 4 small mini cans here, so they're easy to pack away for lunch or take on the go. And go ahead and open it up and show you what it's like. This ginger beer does taste pretty good, but it has a bit of a kick to it, a little bit of an after kick to it that's a little bit spicy. As a matter of fact, it says it's spicy root in there, so that's why it has that little kick. But other than that, it's a pretty good ginger beer to drink, and I enjoy it, and it's pretty refreshing. And I hope that this review helps.